Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 with silicone vegan leather design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5 kPo LED display, with 6.7 inches Super HD punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 93.66% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits HDR peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony LYT700C sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 13 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 25mm centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MyUX screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of uMCP on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.15 by 74.78 by 8.29 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams, and the color options, Pantone Gibraltar C, Pantone Surf, the web colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 68-watt turbo power fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, AI features like sketch to image and circle to search with Google, IP68 dust and water resistant support, military-grade shock durability support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 has been priced for 8GB. Plus 256GB storage variant at $399. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.